The playground waits beneath the sky. Tilly smiles and wonders why. So much room to laugh and play. Recess starts this happy day. Swinging gently up so high, clouds go floating way up high. Sliding down with giggles bright, everything feels just right. Run and play, laugh today. Recess time, hip hooray. Building castles in the sand, making friends and lending hands, taking turns upon the slide. Happy smiles are far and wide. Bell rings softly, play is through. Thank you, playground, waves Tilly too. Back to class with happy feet. Learning makes the day complete. One more laugh, one more smile. We'll play again in a little while.